everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You can see these all are our farm, but you can see there is no water. The field has dried up because actually a few months ago we did borewell drilling process here. Can you see this one? Yeah. So after some days it get collapsed. We had a lot of hope that if it will work it properly, then we don't have to face problem to irrigate the farm. uh, some days ago I think I have uploaded some shorts video. We did borewell cleaning process here. So now it start working little bit, but very less water is coming out from this borewell. It's not enough to irrigate the farm. Let me show you. Very less water is coming out. Our most of the farm has dried up. We have invested a lot of money. Can you see? Only this much water is coming out. It's not enough. Actually, we have two borewell, one in the river and another. This one is in the land. Few months ago, we did borewell drilling process. It's so sad there is no water. That our borewell from river, that is also not working properly. So we are facing problem to irrigate the farm. Actually, we are facing this kind of problem nowadays. This farm has also dried up. For cleaning process, we dig a hole here. I hope it will start working properly after some days, because we have invested a lot of money in drilling process and cleaning process too, but there is no option for earning. And that river borewell is also not working properly, so I don't know what will happen. Let me show you another farm. Can you see? Everywhere farm. All are not our. This one is another person's farm. You can see there is water. So you can see this. The crops are also too much green.